SolidWorks Sustainability 2013 features several new enhancements that will help engineers promote sustainable design practices and address customers' growing demand for eco-friendly products. This storage box, for example, is made exclusively of plastic using an injection molding process. Therefore, the environmental impact, the manufacturability, and the price fundamentally depend on the material selected. When defining the materials and the different life cycle stages of your parts and assemblies, you now have the option to indicate if the part is painted using water or solvent-based paint. This way, you can assess the environmental impact of your concepts more precisely. SolidWorks Sustainability 2013 also provides users with a new innovative feature to instantly evaluate the cost induced by their decisions. In addition to traditional environmental factors, such as a carbon footprint or energy consumptions, the financial impact factor has been added to provide a general understanding of the relative financial impact associated with material choices. This lets you find the most sustainable option while making sure you don't jeopardize your economic feasibility of the project. And it is based on custom properties that can be overwritten to match companies' material pricing information. You now also have the ability to quickly change the methodology used for the LCA calculation. The result can be displayed using the Tracy method instead of the traditional CML method. Finally, you can generate a sustainability report or even export the results into different formats to be used by other programs like the Gabi Lifecycle Assessment software. Completed with the new sustainability APIs, this will unlock a new range of possibilities to integrate even more SolidWorks Sustainability to your workflow. SolidWorks Sustainability is the key to develop more environmentally friendly products, and with a new number of options and capabilities, it has never been so fast and simple.